Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, I can put into x and s square. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, because we have s square in here, so I will put this one go to the left and u square go to the right. So we have s squared equal to 1 minus u squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of s squared, we have 2s ds. First, the derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. First, the derivative of u squared, we have 2u du with the negative in here. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So, the square root we change by u. S squared we change by this one. S ds we change by negative u du. So u and u, we have u squared in here. Negative I will put outside. U squared multiplied by number 1 and u squared in here. Next, we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we have the final answer. Because 2 plus 1 we have 3, 4 plus 1 we have 5. That's why we have this one. About u, that is about this one. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.